everyone, welcome to my English class. Today I am not going to discuss any lesson from English grammar. Actually today I am going to emphasize on why most of the students and people are unable to improve their spoken English in spite of being enough strong in English language. What is the exact reason behind this? So basically today I am going to discuss this topic because I think it is very important to explain my opinion. Okay, so basically the experiences I have gained during the journey of my little experience of teaching, I noticed and I think it is very important to express my statement in front of people. So basically there is a one reason which is very vital and I notice most of the time, and that is most of the students and people are completely dependent on other people. It means if other people will learn English, then they will learn English. They will practice English with them. So is it logical? It's your life. You want to grow in your life. English is important for you. Okay, if you ask other people, talk to me, I want to improve my English, definitely they will reject you. Why? Because nobody has time for you, right? Nobody has time to improve your life. Understood? So it's your duty, it's your responsibility because you have chosen to learn English. It is important for you. If you are serious of learning English, you should take the responsibility of your own life. Why do you depend on those people who do not want to learn anything? Why do you depend on those people who do not want to grow in their life? Why do you depend on those people who don't know how to speak in English? Right? It's your life, your choice. English is important for you. No any other people want to grow in their life. So why do you depend on them? Understood? Have you got my point? Sure. This is my suggestion for everyone. If you are really serious of improving your English, take the responsibility of your own life. Don't depend on other people. Understood? It is very difficult to find out a great person or good learner who really want to learn something in his or her life, right? So it's your life. You have to take the responsibility of your own life if you really want to grow in your life. Clear? That's my point. And another thing also I notice, most of the students try to avoid people who are very nice in English. Just let me share a very little experience from my personal life. When I started learning English language, if I noticed a group of people are discussing any topic in English language, I always went there and I noticed them how they are speaking in English. But normal students, what they are doing, if they notice a group of people are discussing something in English language, they want to try to avoid that environment. Why? So that they don't have to face any problem. So if you do like this, then I can assure you, your course will be finished, you will become very nice in grammar, but you won't be able to speak in English language, and that is the reality. If you do not believe, write down on your notebook at the moment. Clear? I have lots of experiences in my life, like I have many friends in my life. I have seen many students at the Institute of Ramakrishna Mission. They got very nice marks in English grammar, but they don't know how to speak in English. Why? They can't speak in English. Why? Because they never focus on their fluency, and that is the main reason. If you do like this, if you depend on other people, then you won't be able to improve your fluency, and that is the reality. Understood? So this is my suggestion for all students who are the learner of the new journey. Please practice your spoken English and grow in your life and take the responsibility of your own life. That's it. Clear? Okay. Bye bye.